If gas builds up in your small intestine, your stomach may feel full and tight. Try passing gas and a bowel movement to help ease bloating. If that doesn't work, here are some simple things you can try. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are great for problems with digestion, because they fight bacteria and soothe pain, and have carminative and diuretic properties. This means that they lessen gas in the intestines and water in the body. Fennel seeds also help lessen bloating by relaxing muscle tightening in the digestive tract. Peppermint. Peppermint has menthol oil, which helps stop the smooth muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, bile duct, and gallbladder from tightening. It also calms gas build-up and helps food pass through the stomach quickly. Ginger. Ginger is an herb that eases gas and bloating. It has sharp ingredients like gingerols and shogaols that help to cut swelling in the intestines and loosen the intestinal muscles. Chamomile tea. Another way to lessen bloating is with chamomile tea. This is because tea stops swelling and tightening of the muscles. It can also help with heartburn. Caraway seeds. Caraway can help stop the muscles from tightening, kill bacteria, and cut gas buildup in the intestines. Carvol and carvine, two chemicals found in caraway seeds, help soothe the muscles and force gas out, to help stomach bloating right away. Pumpkin. If you're looking for a great way to stop gas buildup and bloating, try eating pumpkin. Pumpkin has a lot of vitamin A, potassium, and fiber that help in digestion. 1 cup of pumpkin at a meal will help digestion a lot. You can steam it, bake it, broil it, or just use it as an ingredient in any of your food. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has holes that let water or air pass through. These holes can trap the extra gas in your body, which is caused by stomach bacteria. You can find activated charcoal as a tablet, capsule, or powder. Ask a doctor to find out the amount you should be taking. Warm lemon water. Warm water is good for you because it keeps you hydrated and washes bacteria out of your body. Lemons are full of vitamins and minerals that are helpful to your body's digestion. Some of these are vitamins B and C, riboflavin, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, proteins, and carbohydrates. Lemons also have an acid which helps break down food. For these reasons, drinking warm water and lemon together is great for your digestion. It can stop bloating, gas, and constipation. Hopefully some of these ideas will help keep your stomach happy. If bloating doesn't end, you may need medication or to change your diet or lifestyle. Ask a doctor if this is a problem.